In the mid to late 1940s, wartime expenses threatened economic ruin in Japan. Post-World War II inflation, unemployment, and shortages in all areas seemed overwhelming. Japan's immediate economic improvement was not achieved on its own. The American government, under the support of the Supreme Commander of the Allied Power, SCAP, played a crucial role in Japan's initial economic recovery. Although Japanese government measures urged rapid post-war growth, SCAP officials believed economic development could not only democratize Japan, but also prevent the rising of militarism and stop communism in Japan. Military hostilities in the Korean Peninsula further boosted the economy in 1950 because the U.S. government paid the Japanese government large sums for special procurement. These payments amounted to 27% of Japan's total export trade. The United States also insisted that Japan be admitted to GATT as a temporary member. Over British opposition during the Korean War, SCAP departed and full independence was returned to the government of Japan.
Immediately after Japan surrendered, it was occupied by the Allied forces. The whole operation was mainly overseen by the Americans. The government was devoted to rebuilding the industrial capacity lost during World War II. As a result, major investments were made in electric power, coal, steel, and chemicals. Furthermore, Japan's post-war education system contributed to the modernizing process. Japan's literacy rate became the world's highest, which contributed to the technologically advanced economy. During this time, Japan's industries were all based in Japan and managed to prosper with the help of foreign countries. Many industries that made military equipment and vehicles during the war began to develop consumer goods, such as the Mitsubishi Zero's fighter's aero engine technology was used in Nissan's automobile. Wartime aeronautic technology helped in the development of the Shinkansen high-speed bullet train. After the war, many new Japanese manufacturers began to spring up, such as Sony and Honda. Sony at the time built Japan's first tape recorder, and Honda was the world's leading manufacturer of motorcycles. However, some companies like Toyota suffered greatly during the years after the war. Toyota was nearly bankrupt because of the low demand for passenger cars. In the years that followed the war, Japan's economy managed to prosper, and its technology began to improve at a rapid pace. Some might say, Japan benefited from the war.